Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the Nito 6 series quick release couplings. Why we're looking at these is obviously to stop flow restriction. So what we've got here is the female side of the quick release water inlet. We've then got the threaded side. So this has got 3/4 BSP female thread. Now you'll see that the seal that's in there is a good quality seal as well that comes with it. So you'll see on the thickness. So you don't need to really put a spanner on. Your finger tight can do the job no problem at all, and having to put a spanner on and PTFE tape. The seal itself seals the joint. We've then got the one here that's same again. Now this is Nito 6 series, and this is 3/4 rose tail, 1/2 inch, 19mm, 3/4. As you see inside there, that is the most important part. What we're trying to stop here is restriction of flow. So when we move into the 3/4 range, we've got a large diameter right through the centre of it. Same again on this one here, you'll see. Now as we look across here, there's a variation. So what we've got here is a Nito 6, that is a 1/2 inch. We then got the step one, so this gives you the option. Now you are restricting the flow in both of these two because you'll see the hole size. So this has got the 19mm 3/4 step down to 12mm 1/2 inch. This one here is 3/4 all the way through 19mm. And you'll see it goes through. We've then got the option there of also going up to 1 inch to 3/4 step. These also come with BSP female threads as well, and they also come with seals. So this one here that we're looking at here is the 1/2 inch BSP female thread, 1/2 inch BSP male, and then same again, we've also got the 3/4 female. This is a size that normally goes onto a tap fitting. But like I say, also the quality of these couplings, made for years. It isn't something that's new in the marketplace. We've used them ourselves on the pressure washers for 30-40 years since we've been doing the machine. But that's the most important part. That's what we're looking at trying to do, to keep the restriction from minimal. So if you're wicking off a hydrant point, something like that, or you've got water shortage, this is the way to go. Now, as you look at the guard, these are the click and gardeners fittings here that you normally, now if we put that one there and then we put that one, you'll see the difference in the size. Now that's what most people run with, which is the Gardner click, Gardini click hose lock. Yeah, we do have the click range for them as well, which you'll see. But same again, you're minimising that flow rate, and we don't want to be doing that. We want to keep to maximum flow when we're using a pressure washer. Most important part. So what we'll do is just put some of these together to show you. We've also got here, right quick before we move on to that, is also you've got reducers. So what that is there, that goes into a 3/4, and you then put an 1/2 inch, so it reduces the thread down to an 1/2 inch BSP. We've got this one here, the same again, you get the seal with it. Yeah. Seals can be also bought separately, which are there, but like I say, this one here, so that is 1/2 inch male, and that goes to 3/4 female. So you could reduce a bib tap down that's in the garden down to 1/2 inch if you needed to. We've then got the 1 inch female thread down to 3/4, which we'll show you in a second or two now. Now what we've also got here is a valve that goes on to a tap. So if you wanted to any stage, this is a vario nozzle. Yeah, that also, so that simply goes into, like the others, it clicks in place for the couplings. So all these click in. The quality of the system, well coated, well protected. Yeah. Now, like I just said before, if you're coming to do that, what you can do is you can put that inside there, make sure you get your 2 flat sides, and you would put that into there. That can then, if you needed to, go into an 1/2 inch BSP thread. You've got your 3/4 to start off with. You can then, if you wanted to, put that in place there on that one. Yeah, all these lot all go together, so it doesn't matter which, they're all compatible with each other. And like I say, this is the Nito 6 range, fantastic coupling, made for years and lasts for years. Thank you very much. Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.